do it. You're just gonna have to dump it, I think. Yeah. You so wretched. Yeah, maybe like under. There you go. Dump it. Yeah, see, that's why I said don't use the... I want you to drain. Look at that. It goes anywhere except... It hasn't even gone overboard yet. That was pretty intense. Got all the stuff leaning up against the house at a nice angle so it can't do a flippy in the wind. Don't know if you can hear it or if it showed up in the time lapse, but it was quite windy and it was super annoying and a little precarious. I actually had to get out the white blocks, and even then it was crazy. So I'm just leaving stuff lying around where I can. It's gonna blow around like the foam. I just put something on top of it that's gonna go underneath because it's supposed to rain for, I don't know, a few days. I am, however, going to leave those uncovered because I want their bottoms, the little bottoms, to dry out. So I'm leaving this for the time being, and just so that it has more stability. I know it's an octagon, but I'm leaving that one, the one on the other side, and the archway, just in case, you know, little entrance there. I have some new tarps to cover this up. Like I said, I want them to dry out a bit because you can see how much mud I scraped off of just the small amount of panels right there. You know you have a mud problem when you have a tool just for scraping the mud off your panels. And then all of these on this side over here. So we have a lot to take apart, but before we can even do that, all of this has to come out. Don't hit me, door. Thank you, wind. I hate you. Yay, storms. It's been sprinkling on and off today, but we never let that stop us. However, 3 days of rain might not. If it's sprinkling, I don't care. But the thing that does stop me from being able to take panels down sometimes is the wind. Today it wasn't too bad. It only got up to about 15, maybe like 20 mile an hour gusts. Probably couldn't tell in the time lapse, but I actually had to time it. I had to wait until the wind died down before I unscrewed the very last screw that was holding stuff together. So just putting stuff where it belongs and shutting down for the day. See you soon, ghouly ghouls.